Today I will be showing you the FastCap AccuScribe PRO. Quite possibly one of the coolest scribes out there. Welcome back to Woodworker Express. If this is your first time here, be sure to give that subscribe button a little squeeze and tap the bell to get notified for when we have a new video. The AccuScribe PRO makes it easy to maintain a consistent scribe, staying parallel to the object surface every time. It is ideal for scribing trim on kitchen cabinets, architectural moldings, countertops, splash guards, tile, and even flooring. It fits a standard pencil and even a Sharpie. For countertops or flooring, place the AccuScribe PRO flush against the wall and then the pencil on the material that you are scribing. Then simply run the AccuScribe along the wall, getting a perfect scribe every time. Now for drawing a radius, slide out the retractable compass point, adjust the pencil to the appropriate length, and go to town. Circles everywhere. The FastCap AccuScribe also has a built-in pencil sharpener. This is truly a handy tool that belongs in every workshop. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next video. Hey, you're still here. Check out one of these videos.